Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 4. This is a computer lesson, and this inshallah will be a complete revision for chapter 7, starting from page number 79. The chapter is about formatting in Microsoft Word. We have talked previously about formatting Word and the meaning of it, and we said that formatting means the appearance, formatting of your text means the appearance of your text in your Word document. Means how your text is going to be look like. For example, I have some text typed here. Okay, welcome my dear students of grade 4. This is chapter 7 revision, page 79. For example, if I want to make grade 4, the word grade 4 bold, and that is, I just highlight, select the text that you wanted to make it bold, and press on Home tab. Under Home tab there is a font group, and there is a B letter which makes the selected text bold. If I want to make the text italic, I have just to select the text which I wanted to make it looks like italic, and just italicize the text by pressing this icon. Also, if I want to put a line, under the text, I just have to select the text and press on underline, as you see here. And if I want to make this text to change the color of it, I just have to go to the font group, and here I have, as you see here, the text of the color of the text. I can change it accordingly. For example, if I choose this color and I wanted to make it bold, that is about the text formatting in MS Word. Now we'll come on highlighting the text. For example, I want to highlight, this is chapter 7, or I want to just highlight the word revision. I just have to select the text that I wanted to highlight, and here I have this text highlighter. I can pick the color where I want to highlight with. Okay, as you see here, the color changes as per I am moving on the different colors. Okay, and I will pick the color of the highlighting. To remove the highlight, again I just have to click on, I have to select the text and click on this arrow drop down menu here by the highlighter color and pick no color. Again, I want to highlight the word revision. I just have to select the word revision and choose the highlighter, okay, to highlight the word. Now we are going to talk about highlighting a text, aligning the text, how to align the text and what we mean with aligning the text. Here I have some word typed. As you see, this text is a left aligned. Okay, to align the text left, I just have to highlight the text and come to the under Home tab. There is something paragraph group here, and you have the alignment all here nearby each other. You have a left alignment, or center alignment, or right alignment. Okay, the shortcut for the alignment, for the left alignment, you just press Control, highlight the text and press Control L. For a center alignment is you have to highlight the text and click Control E. It will be centered. This is right aligned. Okay, again the same thing, you just highlight the text and press on text right aligned, or by pressing Ctrl R. Now if I want to change the text size or color, it is very easy. Okay, I have to select the text and change its color from here. Okay, from the text color. For example, I choose the text to be green. Here is green. I want to choose this text and make it, for example, red color. And if I choose this text and make it green or blue color. That is how you change the text color. Also, how to change the font type. Just select the text. Everything is, my students, that you have to select the text. Select the text first, then do whatever operation you want to do on it. I select this text and change the font type from here. Here is all the font types: Cambria, Calibria, Time New Roman, Arial. Change it as you wish. Also, to choose the text size, and the text size here are assigned by points. Okay, you can increase the text size or decrease your text size after selecting your text. Finally, my dear students, is how to apply. In the last lesson I explained for you how to apply borders and shadings. To apply borders and shadings, just select the text as usual and go to home group, and then select borders. Select borders. Select borders from here and from the menu, and go to the borders and shading at the end of this menu. Drag this window a little bit side so you can see. Now I am in borders. I can make here a box or a shadow. Okay, or for example, if I choose box type, and from here I choose the width, how many points I want my border to be, the thickness of my border, and the color, definitely. For example, red, okay, with this much of thickness, for example 3 points thickness, and I click OK. As you see here, my text is become bordered. Okay, to apply shading to this text, again you have to select the text and go to border and shading menu. Drag this window a little bit to the left side so we can see. Go to the shading. Go to the shading here in the menu and select the color that you want to make shading with, and the style. And the style, we mean like it is that the pattern that you want, but we don't want any pattern here, so we just have to apply to the text. That's how it will be shaded. We'll talk about the text effect, inshallah, on the next time. We'll talk about the text effect and how to make page border and some other interesting things for you, my dear students. Thank you very much. That was the lesson for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.